Hey friends, welcome to my home studio. Today I have my niece, Lonnie, and we are going to show you how to make your own at-home puffy paint recipe. So as you can see, we stacked 2 boxes to make our cake shape. For our recipe, we only need 3 things: white glue, shaving cream, and liquid watercolor. If you don't have watercolor, you can also use food dye if you have it in the pantry. Our recipe calls for a half and half portion, so you're going to start with the white glue on the bottom and go ahead and do a half portion of shaving cream, and after that you can add a little color on top. Looking good, friends. Now it's time to mix it up. Once your puffy paint is ready to go ahead and scoop it and plop it on top of your box or whatever cake shape you are using. Once you've frosted your cake, you are ready to put the toppings on, and today we have some special toppings like glitter, and there you are. Well done, friends. I hope you guys had fun. Go ahead and leave this cake to dry overnight and you will wake up to a fun surprise, a nice puffy paint cake.